Hello everyone, myself Samarth Singh again in front of you people in order to bring out the next lecture in our economic series, that is a wonderful initiative of Udan IAS. Acha. In the last of the class, as far as I have remembered, that is we were majorly discussing regarding liquidity adjustment facility. है ना? We had a discussion on liquidity adjustment facility in which we had a discussion on that is what could be the broader of the perspective of the repo rate and reverse repo rate. है ना? ये हमने डिस्कस किया था. In today's class, what we will be doing, that we will be having a certain kind of more detailed discussion on what, that is repo rate and reverse repo rate. ठीक, अच्छा. Before starting that, I wanted to show you regarding one business today का article, है ना? This business today का article is saying that is RBI raises repo rate by 25 basis points from 6.5% to 6.5% from 6.25%. ठीक है? दिस इज मेजरली द थिंग, दैट इज द न्यूज दैट इज आउट देयर, है ना? ठीक, अच्छा. इस पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि भैया है क्या ये. ठीक है, व्हाट इज रेपो रेट, व्हाट इज बेसिस पॉइंट्स टू 6.5 टू फ्रॉम 6.25, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, व्हाट इज दिस एंटायर द थिंग दैट इज ऑल अबाउट, है ना? सो लेट अस हैव अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशन ऑन इट. नाउ सी, if I am telling you that is we have to क्या डिस्कस रेपो रेट एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट. अच्छा, तो इस हिसाब से देखना. फर्स्टली आई एम सेइंग क्या रेपो रेट, एक जगह मैं क्या करता हूं, रेपो रेट बनाता हूं, एंड ऑन अदर ऑफ द साइड आई एम क्या मेकिंग रिवर्स रेपो रेट. रिवर्स रेपो रेट, ठीक है, अच्छा. See what is happening, that is bank has to carry out its day to day transaction, it has to carry out its day to day transaction whatever is the case. अच्छा, अब जब वो डे टू डे ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं, ठीक है, देयर कुड बी अ डे दैट इज ट्रांजैक्शंस आर एक्चुअली एक्सीडिंग देन द एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैंक हैड एक्चुअली क्या क्या हैड एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टेड दैट इज एवरी डे यूजुअली क्या 20 करोड़ का ट्रांजैक्शन इज क्या डिपॉजिट इज क्या कमिंग, एंड नेट आउटफ्लो में मान लो कि 20 करोड़ का लोग ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे दे आर कमिंग टू विड्रॉ देयर अमाउंट. ठीक, नाउ सी what I am doing, एक दिन one fine day what has happened, that is bank has kept 20 crore as their deposit, that is if people will be coming I will be giving away 20 crore whatever is the case. ठीक, suppose one day one person क्या is demanding more money, and as a result of that their expected daily limit is breaching, and that particular day 25 crore is assumed to be the expected outflow from the bank, मान लो. ठीक, नाउ सी, एंड दिस हैड मेजरली हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ सम मिस्टर ए हु हैड आस्क्ड मोर अमाउंट. ठीक है, वो एक दिन बोल गए कि मुझे 5 करोड़ चाहिए. ठीक, नाउ विल द बैंक विल से कि नहीं वी आर नॉट हैविंग मनी. ठीक, इफ द बैंक विल बी सेइंग सो, एवरीबडी विल बी अप्रोचिंग द बैंक इन ऑर्डर टू गेट देयर मनी बैक, एंड दैट विल बी लीडिंग टू व्हाट, दैट इज डिफॉल्टिंग ऑफ द बैंक. ठीक है, बैंक रन उसे मैं बोलता हूं, दैट इज एवरीवन विल बी क्या आस्किंग फॉर देयर मनी. ठीक है, in order to avoid this kind of situation, RBI has maintained a facility of repo rate and reverse repo rate. Now see, if I'm talking about the concept of repo rate, okay, so what is this repo rate is saying? Repo rate में what is majorly happening, I'm calling it as repurchase obligation or repurchase option, whatever you want to call it. Repurchase option or repurchase obligation. Repurchase obligation. Now see, किसका repurchase? repurchase of government securities. ठीक, see, every bank is maintaining its assets in some or other of the forms. ठीक है, every bank is doing that, and obviously the bank will be having certain kind of its assets in the form of government securities. I had told you what is government securities in the last of the classes. ठीक है, now see, for example, in order to meet this undue unexpected demand that has majorly risen in on that particular day, what the bank will be doing, that is it will be approaching RBI कि भैया RBI please give us money. RBI please give us money. Okay, RBI will be saying अच्छा ठीक है, I will be giving you money, but मुझे क्या मिलेगा. ठीक, so it will be saying that is you keep my government securities with you as a kind of girvi, ठीक है, गिरवी मॉर्गेज की तरह से क्या है, रख लो, ठीक। एंड प्लीज गिव मी सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ लोन सो दैट आई कैन मीट माय डेली रिक्वायरमेंट। Able to understand? By bank is giving the money, by bank is giving the GSEC, that is government securities, to RBI in the promise that I will be again repurchasing these government securities from you, take, but right now please give me the loan, take, by taking this as your girvi, this as your mortgage, take. So obviously this loan will be coming at a particular kind of interest, this loan will be coming at a particular kind of interest value, check. And this interest value will be what, will be, this interest value will be called as what, this interest value will be called as your repo rate. So repo rate is actually that value of interest at which RBI is giving bank loan in order to meet its day to day transaction, by bank keeping its government securities as mortgage or as girvi in Hindi, as we are calling it, ठीक. This kind of transaction that is taking place is mainly क्या, mechanism of your repo rate, ठीक. So what I will be doing, I will be pasting this thing over here. So this is the mechanism of your repo rate. Now see, now take the case when your RBI is in requirement of money. RBI is in requirement of money. So what RBI will be doing, ठीक है, RBI ठीक है, RBI ने बोला, किससे बोला, अरे यार बैंक मुझे ना पैसे की जरूरत है, आई एम इन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मनी, ठीक. सो बैंक विल बी सेइंग, भैया मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ठीक. सो RBI विल बी सेइंग, ओके, do one thing, I will be giving government securities to you. I will be giving government securities to you. In return, you give me loan. In return, you will be giving me loan. And this loan will be coming at a particular kind of interest value. This loan will be coming at a particular kind of interest value. And this interest value will be called as what? Reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. Able to understand? ठीक है. So this is the mechanism of what? This is the mechanism of your reverse repo rate. ठीक है. So if I am pasting this thing over here, ठीक है, मैंने क्या बोला इसमें, रेपो रेट एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट में व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दैट इज एक में क्या कर रहा है, दैट इज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इज योर, if I'm talking about this case, that is your repo rate में what is majorly happening, that is RBI, just wait a second, छोड़ो इसको ऐसे कर, ठीक है. रेपो रेट में what is happening, रेपो रेट में RBI is giving loan to bank, ठीक, and reverse repo rate में RBI is taking loan from the bank with the promise that this government securities will be adjusted again as it is, ठीक है. So this kind of transaction, I am calling it as repo rate as well as the reverse repo rate. That is the case. Now see, if I am giving you one of the question that is among repo rate and reverse repo rate में which value will be higher. तो देखो थोड़ा सा अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से इमेजिन करने की कोशिश करो. For example, I am saying I am a regulator. And I want banks that they should be not be doing this entire of the mechanism on a day-to-day basis. ठीक है, वो क्या करें, वो कोशिश करें कि अपनी वैल्यू इतनी बनाकर रखें, that is they will not be requiring loan from the RBI in order to meet their day-to-day transaction. ठीक है. So what I will be doing, I will be intentionally keeping my repo rate as bit higher. Because I want banks to be maintaining their day-to-day transaction in an efficient manner. ठीक. Similar, consider that I am a regulator. ठीक. I have to take money from what? From banks. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. अगर अहम ब्रह्मास्मि तो मैं क्या करूंगा? Obviously, I will be keeping my interest rate lesser. जिस इंटरेस्ट पर मैं उठाऊंगा पैसा उसको मैं कम रखूंगा, एंड रादर जिस इंटरेस्ट पर मैं दूंगा पैसा उसको मैं ज्यादा रखूंगा. ठीक, दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट एट विच आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम द बैंक आई विल इंटेंशनली कीप इट लेसर, because I am the regulator, because I have to do what? I have to pay the money, and when I have to get the money from someone, I will intentionally be keeping the rate as higher. Similar is the case over here, that is repo rate mein RBI is giving the loan, that is it will be getting the interest, so repo rate is higher. In reverse repo rate mein it has to pay the money to the bank, and as a result of that it has to pay the money, so intentionally it is keeping its repo rate as lesser. So if I am comparing repo rate and reverse repo rate mein, repo rate is the value of the repo rate in the market is greater than what, that is reverse repo rate. ठीक है, so repo rate, just wait a second, so I am saying repo rate is usually क्या, greater than your reverse repo rate. repo rate अगर आज की मार्केट वैल्यू की मैं बात करूं तो रेपो रेट चल रहा है अप्रॉक्स इफ आई एम सेइंग 6.5% के आसपास, ठीक, एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट अराउंड 3.5 के आसपास इट इज का होवरिंग अराउंड, ठीक है. सो रेपो रेट इज क्या, अराउंड 6.5%. नाउ सी saying RBI over here, ठीक है, RBI is showing what, RBI is क्या saying, that is it has raised the repo rate by 25 basis point from 6.5% to 6.25%. now see, if I'm talking about this basis point से, ठीक है, what I will be doing, I will be क्या, देखो जब भी मैं चेंज ट्रैक करता हूं, whenever I am tracking the change from 6.5% to any particular kind of value, for example मैंने बोला from 6.5% it has changed to 6.25%, ठीक. Now what is majorly happening in this entire kind of case, that is I am calculating the difference between the two values. So what will be the difference, that is 6.50 minus 6.25, coming out to be 0.25%, coming out to be 0.25%. and when this value is coming out to be 0.25%, मैं क्या करता हूं, इसको just 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं, and I'm calling it as 25 basis point, 25 basis points, 25 basis points. Now see this entire of the thing. So basis point is equal to percentage into 100. Now whenever I am saying that is my value has changed from this value to that value, I am not saying in the terms of percentage, and rather I am saying that is percentage को multiply by 100, that is difference in the difference in those particular value multiplied by 100, and that I am saying as basis point. Similarly, for example, I am saying that is repo rate has increased from 3.5 तो नहीं है, for example क्या 3 नहीं 6.5 से मान लो, 6.5 से मान लो कल को कितना हो जाता है, दैट इज 7.5% हो जाता है. सो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, आई विल बी सबट्रैक्टिंग दीस टू वैल्यू, दैट इज 7.5 माइनस 6.5, डिफरेंस कितना आ गया, दैट इज सॉरी ये 7.0 है, ये 7.0, ठीक. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, दैट इज 0.5%, ठीक. व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग नाउ, आई विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 100, एंड व्हेन आई विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 100, so what I will be getting, I will be getting 50 basis points. And that is how what I am doing, I am getting what, I am getting my repo rate and reverse repo rate का transactions, ठीक है. So this is majorly if I'm talking about, that is your entire kind of what is basis point, how it is changing and all those kind of stuff, what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate, है ना. कल की क्लास में क्या करेंगे, कल की क्लास में एक बार what we will be doing, we will be having a certain kind of discussion on how this repo rate and reverse repo rate will be having a certain kind of what, certain kind of effect on the liquidity in the market, ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं इस पे, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन क्या है, विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट करेक्टली डिस्क्राइब्स द मीनिंग ऑफ लीगल टेंडर. आपको लीगल टेंडर का मतलब बताया था, ठीक है, व्हाट इज लीगल टेंडर, ठीक. यूपीएससी 2018 का इट इज क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. मनी विच इज टेंडर्ड इन द कोर्ट ऑफ द लॉ टू डिफ्रे द फी लीगल एक्सेस, ठीक है. इट इज नॉट द केस, इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद क्या लीगल केसेस, इट इज इनकरेक्ट, ठीक. मनी विच a creditor is under compulsion to accept in the settlement of his claim, yes, it is the answer. Money in the form of checks and drafts, no, it is not the case. And the metallic money circulation, it is also not the case. लास्ट क्लास में आपको बताया था, लास्ट टू लास्ट क्लास में, दैट इज व्हाट इज लीगल टेंडर, दैट इज द मनी, दैट इज दैट मनी which a person is under compulsion to accept, है ना. जब डिमोनेटाइजेशन भी हुआ था तो मोदी जी ने क्या बोला था, आज से 500 और 1000 के नोट लीगल टेंडर नहीं रहेंगे, है ना. सो लीगल टेंडर का मतलब दैट इज दे विल नॉट बी, एनीवन कैन reject those of the क्या notes, ठीक है. So what is the meaning of legal tender? If a currency is called as legal tender, so a person is under a compulsion to accept that currency in order to make the settlement of the payments, ठीक है, आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही. Rest will be doing in the next of the class. I hope you must be able to understand what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate. ठीक है, next class में we will be having a discussion on how these repo rate and reverse repo rate is affecting the liquidity in the market and subsequently the inflation. ठीक है, ओके, चलो. और जैसे मैं हमेशा क्लास एंड करता हूँ, ठीक है. सो दिस इज माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. इफ यू वांट टू क्या ज्वाइन इट, यस यू कैन. दैट इज Sammy29908. ठीक है, दिस इज माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन इट, यस ऑब्वियसली यू कैन. ठीक, Sammy2908. ठीक, और जैसे मैं हमेशा क्लास एंड करता हूँ, कैसे हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, मेरी क्लास देखते रहिए. वाई? बिकॉज यूपीएससी इज नॉट अ गेम ऑफ IQ, इट इज अ गेम ऑफ EQ. चलो बाय बाय बच्चा, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय.